Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today we're taking a close look at a bike that perfectly blends cruiser styling with modern performance. The 2025 Honda Rebel 300. If you're into laid-back riding with a touch of attitude and want something that's easy to handle yet loaded with character, the Rebel 300 might just be the perfect match. Let's dive into what makes this bike stand out in 2025, what improvements it brings, and why it continues to be a popular choice in the cruiser segment. The Honda Rebel 300 has always stood out because of its minimalist design and bold cruiser look. In 2025, Honda has given it a few updates to enhance the styling and riding experience without losing its iconic charm. You still get that classic low-slung frame, wide handlebars, chopped fenders, and a fat rear tire, all of which scream modern bobber style. New paint schemes and blackout finishes give it a fresh look that appeals to both young riders and classic cruiser lovers. Under the tank. The Rebel 300 is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, which is the same engine found in the Honda CBR 300R. It produces around 27 horsepower and 26 newton-meters of torque, which might sound modest on paper, but on the road, it delivers a smooth and refined ride. Whether you're cruising at low speeds through the city or hitting open roads, the power delivery feels predictable and beginner-friendly. The throttle response is clean and linear, making it perfect for new riders while still offering enough punch for experienced bikers to enjoy. One of the biggest strengths of the Rebel 300 is its approachable nature. The low 690mm seat height makes it extremely easy to handle for shorter riders and beginners. The bike feels light, balanced, and incredibly easy to maneuver at low speeds, whether you're parking, doing a U-turn, or weaving through traffic. It's a true confidence booster for those just stepping into the world of motorcycles. In terms of ride comfort, the Rebel 300 does a great job. The upright riding posture, forward set foot pegs, and relaxed handlebar position give you a comfortable cruiser stance that's ideal for long rides. The suspension setup features telescopic forks up front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, which do a decent job of absorbing bumps and road imperfections. It's not a plush ride, but it's smooth enough for daily commutes and weekend cruising. Braking is handled by a single disc at the front and rear, backed up by ABS for added safety. The braking performance is solid with enough bite and feedback for controlled stops. The bike also features a digital instrument cluster that gives you basic readouts like speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. It's simple and easy to read, though some riders might wish for more tech features like smartphone connectivity. Another advantage of the Rebel 300 is its customization potential. Honda designed this bike with customization in mind. Whether you want to swap out the exhaust, change the seat, add saddlebags, or go for a full bobber conversion, the Rebel platform allows it. It's a blank canvas for riders who want to express their style. Fuel efficiency is another highlight. The Rebel 300 delivers around 30 to 35 kilometers per L, depending on how and where you ride. That makes it economical for city rides and short tours, especially considering it's a cruiser-style bike. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Honda Rebel 300 is expected to be priced around $4,899 United States dollars internationally. If launched in South Asia, the expected price in Pakistan would be around PKR 15 to 17 lakh, while in India, the price could be around 3.5 to 4 lakh, depending on local taxes and import duties. Yes, it's on the premium side, but you're paying for Honda's legendary reliability, refined performance, and timeless design. So, is the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 worth it? If you're looking for a beginner-friendly cruiser that offers relaxed riding, modern style, great build quality, and solid performance, then absolutely yes. It's not a bike meant for high-speed thrills or aggressive cornering. It's for riders who enjoy the journey as much as the destination. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Honda Rebel 300. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest reviews, bike comparisons, and two-wheeler updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Scout. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe and ride free.